Stop waiting for someone and start practicing English by yourself alone at home. Yes, guys, you can do it. Hello guys, I am Meera and I am from Hazaribagh, Jharkhand. Guys, today in this video I will tell you the most important tips that will be so helpful for you. And if you are alone at your home and you don't have any partner to practice English, then it will be so helpful for you. So please wait and watch the video till end. So first one is mirror practicing. That means daily you stand in front of mirror and try to speak the words you know in English and the sentences you know in the English. Just practice by yourself alone in the front of mirror. Guys, this will be so awkward in first time, but later in just practicing you will be so good and you will feel better. And second one is record yourself. Yes guys, you have a smartphone and you can use it to record your voice and video too. If you, I suggest you to record video, because by recording video you will be able to communicate with people by eye contact, and you feel, if you feel hesitation, then it will be so less and you can overcome from your hesitation. So when you record yourself, then you just not record, you just try to listen and watch this video again and again and analyze that where are you making the mistakes. And the third method is daily practice. Daily practice, that means you should practice 10 to 15 minutes daily, minimum 10 minutes daily. It will be so helpful for you, but it should be your daily routine. So don't practice for one day, that today I will practice 10 minutes and 15 minutes and tomorrow I will not. No guys, daily you will have to do practice. So daily practice 10 to 15 minutes, and if you practice this, you will feel better and you can speak English fluently, and you can find the confidence of speaking English too. Fourth method is self-talk. That means whatever you know, you just try to speak by yourself. Just if you are roaming anywhere or if you are alone at home, then you just practice in your mind that today I went to market and I bought 10 pens, I bought some fruits for me. That type of words, that type of lines you can just practice in your mind. This is self-talk. Okay. And fifth method is listen and repeat. That means if you are watching any English video, then you just try to speak that sentences too. If you are watching any daily use sentences, then if you listen one sentence, then you just stop or pause that video and repeat this sentence again and again, and later again you do this process again and again, then you will feel better and you can learn new things, new sentences that will be so helpful for you. So guys, I hope this video is so helpful for you, and if you learned anything new or anything special from this video, and if this video is helpful for you, so please subscribe to my YouTube channel English with Meera, and please share this video with your friends. So thanks for watching my video. Thank you.